Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get this credit line, or in other words, line of credit for any credit score. Yes, it does not matter that you have bad, poor, or worse credit of this entire world, you will still get this line of credit pretty easily. So yes, and remember that right after this video I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $48,000 loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And remember, in this video I will take you on a tour of this line of credit application, as well as I will tell you all the perks, including the upsides and the downsides of this credit line. So now, without wasting any time, let's start the video, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So yes, right in front of you, here is an amazing opportunity just for you, and it is from Fingerhurt. Yes, this credit line or line of credit is from Fingerhurt, and the reason that I am reviewing this, I am telling you about this, and I am offering you this is because I am personally using their services myself. Yes, I do have a line of credit with Fingerhut, and I'm going to show you my personal account as well, and as well as I will tell you all the perks, that what are the things they have to offer and the great things about them. What I really like is that they do report to all three major credit bureaus such as Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. It helps you build your credit, and they do give this line of credit, or you can say credit line, to bad or worst credit. So yes, you can do that. But the great example that I want to tell you right here, for example, you can see the watch right here, right? So if you want to buy a watch, or you want to give someone a holiday gift and you don't have the money, right, but you do have a credit line with them. For example, you have a credit line of $300, right? And this watch right here is $300. So what you are going to do when you're going to buy this with this credit line of Fingerhurt, what they will do, they will deduct the $300 from your line of credit, but they will give you an option to pay them back every month in a term of $10 or $15 every month. So isn't it crazy? So take it like this: you are using the credit line to buy this watch, and at the same time you have the flexibility to pay them the minimum payment every month, such as $10 or $15. And the great thing about it as well, that you can just pay them back in full as well whenever you get the money, and then you won't have to pay a single penny on prepayment penalty because it's a line of credit. And this is the great thing: the minimum I see and I have experienced that they give to bad or worse credit is between $500 to $700. So I know it is a blessing for a lot of people, especially during this holiday period where the pandemic is really ruining a lot of lives. And I hope that this video will really help you to get the gifts for your loved ones or for yourself as well. So yes, this is an amazing opportunity right here. I'm going to take you on a tour of its application as well, that how the application looks like and how it works exactly. Fingerhut has its own store, like you can say online store. Let me just show you right here. So they have different departments such as shoes, health and beauty, and everything. So let me just go and just go on the women's clothing. So I'm just want to show you that, you know, like how their store looks like. So for example, they have this active wear. I'm gonna click on it right here, and you see, so they will tell you how much it is. So it's actually $91 right here, but again, as I told you, you can pay $11.99 a month just to own this. So isn't it crazy? So what it means that you are not going to pay a lot of money from your own pocket at once. You can actually have the flexibility to pay them every month, or you can just pay them more if you want. So if you want to get rid of this as soon as possible. But remember, it's not a loan, it's a line of credit. And the great thing about it as well, that you can use it without being worried that hey, it's going to ruin my credit. No, it's going to build your credit if you're going to pay them monthly, because the payment history is the biggest portion of your credit report. So right here, before going towards the application, like how you can fill the application step by step, I will tell you each and everything and brief you about it. I want to show you my own personal account of Fingerhurt. Yes, I applied for this account when I had a really bad score of like around 500, I believe, and they approved me for it. So what's my credit limit right now? I'm going to tell you each and everything. Actually, I'm going to show you. So please stay with me, and now I'm going to show you my Fingerhut account with the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So this is my Fingerhut account in front of you. Yes, I do have a line of credit of $700 and my current balance is 0. I rarely use it, but I did order something around like I believe like 2-3 months ago, and then I bought it for like $5 or something, so I paid it in full. But you can actually do the installments if you want to buy something for much more. So this is an amazing opportunity, and what I really like about them is that they give you the flexibility to buy whatever you want, because they have a store, as I already showed it to you, that they have a store where they have everything, like pretty much everything, whatever you wish for, from iPhone 12 Pro to a PS5 or to even a Niddle as well. So yes, they are pretty good when it comes to the merchandise, so keep that in mind. Remember, their rates are a bit higher because of course they give you the flexibility to pay every month, but as I can say that something is better than nothing. So yes, so now I'm going to take you on a tour of its application, and I will show you each and everything that you need to do in order to get this line of credit, as well as I will tell you how you can fill this application. So let's go towards the application, and here is the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So here's the application. I'm going to paste the link below in the video's description. You can go there and click on it and apply for it. Yes, if you have bad credit, it's really easy to get approved for this credit line, but remember, it's a hard pull. I'm already telling you, it's a hard pull. It's going to affect your credit, so keep that in mind. Please keep that in mind. Again, it's a hard pull. Okay, so now first what you need to do, they're gonna ask you, are you responding to a catalog offer yet? They do actually send the catalogs on a random manner by checking the credits or by using your data from third party, and you might have received a catalog from them in past, or probably you will receive it in the future. So they give you the offer, and in the catalog it says pre-approved, means all you need to do, you need to just put the offer code and then you're good to go. You will get this. So right here, if you don't have a catalog offer or anything, so all you need to do, you need to click on the link below in the video's description, and then you need to come right here, and then you need to put your first name, your middle name if you have any, your last name, your suffix if you have any, your address. Make sure your address should exactly match the address you have on your credit report, so keep that in mind, right? And then of course your city, your state, your zip code, your primary phone number. If you have any secondary phone number, you can do that, and of course they require your social security number. Remember, they are going to do a hard pull. I'm already telling you, it's not a soft pull, it's not a no credit check, but it's really easy to get for the bad credit. So yes, if you have bad credit or worse credit, you can get it pretty easily. That's what I've experienced. So please let me know in the comment below if you already have this line of credit or you are going to apply for it, or if you apply you got approved or denied. Please let me know in the comment below. Then they will ask you for a date of birth, your annual income. Of course you can just select with this drop down menu right here, and of course you can set up your online account. They will require your email address, and they ask you to actually choose a password. Then of course they have their interest rates, and on the other things, they do have an interest rate of 29, 99, 30%. It's a bit higher as compared to other financial products, but remember, it's the credit line or line of credit for the bad or worse credit. So of course, it's a blessing for a lot of you out there who have bad or worse credit. So then they will ask you to actually click on yes if you want to accept the terms, and then you can click on submit application, and then they will give you the answer like right away that either you approved or denied. So if you have any question about anything regarding this application, so please let me know in the comment below. Also let me know that you got approved or denied, or you know, like you already have it, how was your experience. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Remember that right after this video I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $48,000 loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And please like this video, it helps the channel grow and it motivates us to bring more great content just for you. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.